Hello, techies. Welcome or welcome back to kaetalkstech. Um, I'm Kay. Let's talk tech. Today, I want to talk to you about the difficult developer. So, developers have a reputation for being difficult. They don't want to. They don't want to cooperate. They think that anybody who is not as technical as they are doesn't know what they're doing or what they're talking about. And I would just like to tell you that since I am a former developer, to take a chill pill, breathe, calm down, okay? Because you're living in a you're living in a fallacy, okay? Um, Being a developer can be a bit of an ego trip because you're in control of the machine, you're making the computer do things, it's all very exciting and so forth. And you usually see that with more junior people, but you can have some difficult, more senior people as well, right? They just think the world revolves around the code and the rest of you are just pawns in it. And here's the thing. Okay, you know the technology, but there's somebody there, and there's somebody there that doesn't know the technology. They know the business, but you don't know the business. So there's something that everybody doesn't know, right? And the thing about it is, the business is the customer, okay? So if you can't meet the needs of the customer, if you're going to be difficult with the customer, then nobody's interested in what you're selling, and you're going to find yourself on the layoff list. If you go into the store and the people are difficult and nasty to you, do you go shop there again? I don't, and you shouldn't either. That's what you're creating for yourself when you're the difficult developer. Don't be that person. Don't go on a head trip because you're coding, okay? Um, I've had a couple of developers try to clown me on social media, right? Just talking to different people and so forth. Oh, you're old school. Oh, what's the last language you coded? Ha 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 ha. I said, well, it's okay because I'm your boss now, so ha ha. Okay? I tell you what to do now. So after that, they didn't think it was too funny. No more comments from them. So, um, you are there. The purpose of development is to solve problems that make the company more profitable, period. Okay? You know, we're all just people trying to find some kind of work to do so we don't have to work multiple jobs. And at the end of the day, everybody is going to turn to dust, right? We all have to make that transition out of this life. So until you are able to cheat that, until you're able to cheat death, until your code allows you to live longer, take it down a peg. Okay? Don't be a difficult developer. It's it's not kind of, it's very unprofessional to be difficult at work, and you just create problems for yourself. Okay? You're going to find that your raises are lower, and they're not going to tell you why, because they don't want to deal with that, because you're difficult. You can't take constructive criticism. Okay? So on this channel, on this channel, I try to not just tell you about the tech skills, but I try to give you some career advice. I try to coach you and tell you the things that nobody's going to tell you. I try to inform you about the unwritten rules, the expectations of behavior and so forth that nobody is going to tell you about. Usually you find out about unwritten rules after you break one, right? So kaetalkstech is about helping you in your career. And I'm not just here talking. I have a whole coaching business to support this. So visit kaetalkstech.com if you want to get some help with your career. No matter what it is, I'm available because I've been in tech over 30 years. So there are a lot of career counselors that will help you, and they're very good at career counseling, but they're not good at tech. Tech is a different animal. Okay? And if you've never worked in tech, I don't see how you could be well, let's put it like this: your effectiveness as a career counselor will be limited. Okay, so check me out over there on kaetalkstech.com. Like this video. I hope it's been helpful to you. Follow me, or follow the channel, or subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Help the channel grow. And come on back at another time where we will continue to talk tech. Bye.